Again, welcome to our trade. These are our OTC trades for today, and this the session started on the VIP channel right here. This is our accuracy for today. The first signal was for Apple OTC for the call side. This was a very good win. In this, there was a uptrend going on, plus the moving average was also indicating for the call side. The market was in a clear trend and the price was respecting the moving average. These were a confirmation to take this trade for the call side, and we won it with an amazing entry based on the alignment. The next signal was for Dogecoin OTC for the call side. Here you can just see the clear support level. The price reacted from the support level where the buyers were showing interest. The support was held firmly, and there was a strong bounce from the support level. We took the trade and we won it. Next trade was for Tesla OTC for the put side. This was also a very good win. In this, there was a downtrend going on and the moving average. The market was in a downtrend and the moving average was also near our trades. So this was our confirmation that this will be a downside trade. We took a trade with a strong confirmation and we won it. Then the next signal was for FedEx OTC for the call side. Again, this was a very good win. There was a strong uptrend, plus the moving average was also there. Plus, here is a clear support level. You can just see the price rejected multiple times from the support level. And when the price touched the support level, we took a trade based on these three confirmation: the uptrend, the moving average, and the support level for the call side, and we won it. So that's all for non-vertical wins. Amazing wins for today. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.